In this video, you'll learn how to search hotels near landmarks on Agoda. Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or a big international trip, knowing how to find a place to stay close to the sites you care about can make your whole experience smoother and more enjoyable. Instead of guessing how far a hotel might be from a famous spot, you can use Agoda to search directly by landmark and see nearby options instantly. Let's start from the very beginning. Open Agoda in your browser or on the app. On the main screen, you'll see a prominent search bar, usually at the top of the page. This is where you'll tell Agoda which landmark you want to stay near. Click or tap inside the search bar and begin typing the name of the landmark. For example, you might type the name of a popular monument, a major attraction, or a central area that's well known in the city you're visiting. As you type, Agoda will automatically start showing suggestions underneath the search bar. These suggestions can include cities, neighborhoods, and importantly, landmarks. Take a moment to look through the suggested locations that appear. This is important because it helps ensure you're selecting the correct landmark, especially if there are places with similar names in different cities or countries. When you see the exact landmark you're looking for in the suggestions list, click or tap on that suggestion. This tells Agoda to focus your search around that specific point of interest. After you've selected the landmark, the next step is to set your travel details. You'll usually see options to choose your check-in and check-out dates, as well as the number of guests and rooms. Click on the date field, then pick your arrival date and departure date from the calendar. Make sure these dates match your actual travel plans, since availability and prices depend heavily on when you're staying. Next, adjust the number of guests, indicate how many adults and children will be staying, and update the number of rooms if you need more than one. Being accurate here helps Agoda show you hotels that can actually accommodate your group, and it may also affect the prices you see. Once your landmark, dates, and guest details are all set, go ahead and click the search button. This is usually a prominently colored button right next to the search fields. Agoda will now process your request and load a list of available hotels located near the landmark you selected. When the results page appears, you'll see hotels displayed along with their prices, ratings, and often a small map. These are all properties near your chosen landmark. You can scroll through the list to compare options or switch to the map view if you want a clearer sense of how close each hotel really is to that landmark. From here, you can apply additional filters like price range, star rating, or guest reviews to narrow things down even further. And that's all there is to it. By entering the landmark name, selecting the right suggestion, choosing your dates and guests, hitting search, and then reviewing the nearby hotels, you can quickly find a place to stay right where you want to be on Agoda.